Hey, thanks so much for checking out this channel. You know, playing the ukulele is an amazing skill to acquire. And think about it, you can take this anywhere, play it at any time, use it for therapeutic reasons, and most of all, it's the easiest instrument, I think, to learn. But with learning something, it always takes time, and you might feel overwhelmed with having to learn how to play new chords, strumming patterns, and combine those with lyrics. Well, here at You Can Uke, I offer weekly videos to help boost your confidence and success at learning how to play the ukulele. Check out my weekly tutorials, where I break down chords, strumming or finger-picking patterns, and other parts of a song in an easy step-by-step order. You'll also find ukulele cover videos where you will apply what you learn in the tutorials and play along with me. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a video. Also, consider joining me on Patreon, where I offer additional resources such as chord charts and custom tutorials tailored to your level of skill. Again, thanks so much for checking out You Can Uke, and I look forward to playing along with you in the next video.